In a joint operation by team of Assam Rifles and Mizoram Police based on specific information, they recovered warlike stores near BP-15 Saihat district along Indo-Myanmar border on 7 January 2023. The party recovered cash near BP-15. Total recovery are Cordex yellow color 15mm, IED container shell 36, explosive filled IED large 6, explosive filled IED small 7, electric wires 2 coil, empty IED container large 3, explosive 200 gram, fuse 1, improvised iron spring 25, igniter cap 24, cap FS 26, matchbox 58, pressure IED container 3, improvised IED release switch 26, and improvised pressure switch 11. The recovered items were handed over to police station Pura on 7 January 2023 for further legal proceedings. Ongoing smuggling of warlike store is a major cause of concern for the state of Mizoram, especially along the Indo-Myanmar border. Further investigation is on.